Hello everyone, Samantha here. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my weekend goodie bag. And what I mean by weekend goodie bag, it's Friday night, and I have different like doodling journals, artsy journals, and sometimes I want to work in one specific one over the weekend, or for 3 days, 4 days. It depends on you know um, how I'm led. So anyway, this is you know an idea that you can use if you just want to narrow down what you're going to work on um, throughout the weekend, or for a few days or so. So it's in this bag. I used to use this bag for church. Take my Bible and my notepad and stuff like that. But I mean my faith journaling book, um, to take notes, during the sermon. But since we are not right now frequenting a church outside, so I'm using it for another purpose. So right here I have my Moodles book. Moodles are doodles with the power to change your mood. And it says happy. I got this from Five and Below a while ago. And I've done a couple of things in here. I'm going to just show you a blank. There's something in here that I did that my husband's putting on a shirt for me. So, okay, I'll show you this one. Because this one is just like little doodles. So this one says, quick draw. Draw the first thing you think of when you read these words. So, I couldn't draw the horse, so this is what I did. I wrote horsey. But then adventure, propel, I did little doodles and stuff like that. Um, right here, twisted, I thought about hair twists, slime, and then eager, pom-pom, yes, yes, then the propel, a rocket. So it's just a fun little doodling book. And I have, some things in here, like my scissors, Bible journal, and pens. I have a pencil inside there to doodle with, sharpener, glue stick. And over here, I have my little, another little art journal that I have that I do some little artsy stuff in, and some stickers. Not much because it's just for the weekend, and then come Sunday night I'll change it out. But let me just show you quickly some stuff in this journal here. I used to use this in my group a lot. So let's see if I want to show right here. So like little doodles and stuff that I do. Nothing major. Sometimes, and then I did some cutouts and was practicing stenciling with the cutouts. Something I could just do when I'm in any part of the house, So, and then there was some things that I did start in here. There's a little collage I did. See? So I have some stickers and stuff like that if I just want to go ahead and, do something. Like right here, I can write something here. I can write something here because sometimes I'll make a page. I don't necessarily write on it, but I'll just create it. So look at this one right here. And it has a devotional there. Right. I have here. Then I could decorate this page and do it something there based on this devotional. I have this here. I can write here. I decorated the page and left this as a journaling spot, right? And then I'm doing little sketching little flowers and stuff in here. So I'll probably do something in there if I want. And then I have some more stickers, more stickers, more stickers. So yeah, so like just a little goodie bag for the weekend. Not to say I won't do anything else. But I'll take this in the living room. I'll take it in my bedroom while I'm watching TV. And anything else that I want to do, I'll just come into my creative space for, a bigger project. So I just thought to share that. So with that being said, I want to say thanks for watching. I pray that you're inspired to do something creative. Thanks for watching. God bless you. And remember, Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.